Take a moment to check in on your mat, and on your next inhale, reach your left fingertips out and up toward the sky. As you exhale, thread your left arm underneath your right elbow, allowing the left side of your body to rest on the ground. You can use a block or cushion underneath if that feels more supportive. Breathing into your spine, feeling that gentle rotation. And after a few breaths, inhale, reach your left hand back up toward the sky and then place it on the mat. On your next inhale, lift your right hand out and up toward the sky. Thread it underneath on the exhale, resting your right side on the ground. For a deeper stretch, ensure your hips are stacked over your knees or press gently into your palm. As you pause, let your breath move into the thoracic spine, bringing ease into an area that can often feel stuck. After a few breaths, inhale, reach your right hand back up and then place it down on the mat underneath your shoulder.